So, 2 weeks ago I challenged Boyce to an origami battle. The goal is to create the coolest origami phoenix. Now, stay with me in this journey. My first idea was to make a bird base and then make a river on the side so I have more paper to make the wings and the head. So, this part here is the bird base and this part here is the river. It looks like the yellow and red is really looking good, but I still need to add some details. So let's continue. As I already checked that the color change with yellow and red is going to look good, now it's time to add some more features. And as I want to add some talons, I cannot stay with the bird base. So I came up with this other paper distribution. As you can see, it's completely different from the other one, so let's see how it's gonna look after folding. Okay, now the idea is getting a little bit better, at least now I have the talons here. But the fire on the head, I think that a longer fire will look better. It looks good, but is it enough to defeat Boice? Well, definitely not. So let's make a last improvement. We need more details and a bigger paper. So, staying with this same paper distribution, but changing the proportions a little bit, I got to this design here. I know that the crease pattern looks completely different, but the paper distribution is kinda similar, with bigger tail, wings, and fire on the head. Okay, I finished my origami, but Boyce also finished his origami and sent me his result. So let's check his origami first.
Hi Tadashi, this is how I designed a phoenix in 6 steps. 1. Get references. 2. Design a crease pattern. 3. Make paper. 4. Fold. 5. Shape. 6. Present. Thanks for the battle, Tadashi. It was an honor. I can't wait to see your result.
Okay, well, thanks a lot for watching this video. See you, bye bye. No, I'm just kidding. His origami was really cool. Look at how careful he was to work on every detail. Especially on the way he worked on the wings and on the head. It's really awesome. Well, now let's show my origami. So on my design, I favored a more simple approach and also with color change to make the phoenix look like it has fire on it. So there's this big fire on the head, the tail is just one single big fire, and also there's a color change on the wings. Here are both origamis side by side for you to compare. And that's it, I really enjoyed this origami battle. I don't know who won. I'd say both had a completely different approach on this origami. Maybe we both won, maybe someone lost. Maybe neither origami is cool, so we both lost. There's a famous saying in Brazil, I don't think that whoever wins or loses, nor who wins or loses will win or lose. Everyone will lose. It's really sad. But what do you think? Did you like the origamis? You can also check Boyce's video and the link is in the video description. So check his video and then leave a comment saying which origami you think it was cooler. Thanks a lot for watching this video. See you, bye bye.